hope in this world right now. Thank you so much. And you keep winning, period. Thank you, Outlaw. Damn, y'all, throw some roses, y'all. They're hitting. Thank you. What the heck? Thank you so much. I was struggling tonight so bad. Outlaw, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Blue Dragon, thank you. Thanks, guys. Just got my spirits up so much. I was feeling like, I mean, I have energy today, but I was just feeling a little down. Thank you. Aw, thank you. Who said that? Outlaw, good night. Love you. Bye. Thank you. Okay, guys, 9K till the rebate. Do you think someone can drop me a dragon? Only 9K to go. Thanks to Outlaw. At least we got some help. Lordy. Yeah, so that was amazing. Thank you. Gosh, I needed that so bad. I was feeling so sad, guys. Oh my gosh. Wow, see, you never know. You never freaking know. What a blessing. And he had some good wins there. My goodness. That's what you should have done, J Boogie, was just throw a bunch of golden roses and hit that 10K. Then you could have changed my life overnight. You know? Aw, Outlaw, that was so sweet. That was just having fun. That looked like a good freaking time to me. That looked like a good freaking time to me. I hope you hit that 10K one day, my friend. But yeah, I needed that. Hi, country. How are you? I appreciate that, guys. I've been off the app for a couple days, just took some days to clear my mind, and my wallet is broke. Okay, Willie. In a year, I hit 10K 4 times. Outlaw, people have been hitting 10K 4 times in a day with those golden roses. Country, how are you, boo? You working? I was on today with Rue, but she said you were at work. Thank you, country. I appreciate you. Thank you for the bells. Guys, thank you for the love. Why'd you do that, country? Country! Country! Why did you do that? I'm going to pinch those cheeks, country. Thank you. Why'd you do that? Don't be screenshotting me now. Next thing I know, I'm up on the freaking auction. Thank you. You know I will get you back. Thank you so much, guys. Literally, we only are 8K to the rebate now. We just need a friggin' 8K miracle. Aw, I know, country. We've been doing this a long time. Thank you. I needed that. You guys really lifted my spirits. I was low-key down a little bit. Thank you, J Boogie. Thanks, guys. I'll cry. Thank you. I'm happy and energetic, but I am low-key emo tonight. Thank you. Let's go, J Boogie.